All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a review, well actually unboxing of the new Canon G7X Mark III. I want to give y'all a disclaimer. So I already opened up the box, not completely, but I wanted to charge the battery so that at least when I turned it on and put it in the camera, we'd be good to go. So let's go ahead and hop into that. And so pretty much this is what the battery is gonna look like. Not if y'all care or not, but comparison of the charger, pretty lightweight, seems to charge really fast, and so it's good enough for me. It should be good enough for you. In the box comes the manual, as of like every other camera boxing. This is the actual, to show y'all, I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, here is the camera that I'm taking out. It also comes with a strap, y'all, so if you need to, you can put that on your wristlet, as a wristlet, sorry, and use it like that. And so this is nice. Like, it's not too heavy, it's a little lighter. Hopefully y'all can see that. That is not bad at all. You know, I'm a Canon girly. Ever since I was young, I always shot with Canon, so I had to stick with Canon and get me something like easy to travel with and everything, and I can still take like quality videos and photos. But that is nice. That's not bad at all. Okay, cool. Flips up, so I guess like if you're vlogging and stuff, you can see yourself. If you're taking pictures, you can see yourself. And then let's see what else. Oh, and also that's pretty cool. So, you know, if you're videoing and you need to see something like at an angle like this, boom, that is nice. Did not even realize that. That's cool. Let me pop this battery in because I really don't want this review to be too long. Yes, it does. Wow. Okay. Batter goes in just like that. Let me get me I do have a SD card. Look at my handy dandy backpack. And get one of these suckers out. Finally. Don't y'all hate when stuff is like at the bottom of your bag and you're looking for it and it's just like, ooh, you know? Okay, so let's just choose one of these. We'll get my Goldie. Put it in. Oh, come on, buddy. Lock it. So there's a thing down here where you open, lock it. That's how you open it. It's pretty straightforward, but just in case a person asks. Let's turn this sucker on. Ooh. So I haven't even set the settings on here yet, y'all. But just look at that. Look how clear. Oh, you can't see. Look how clear that is. Like, that screen is just like, I know over time it'll have marks on it and stuff, but I am so excited to actually use this, y'all. And it flips. So this was like this. You flip it up. I hope I can show this. You flip it up and it turns it around. Okay. That's cool. Turn it down. Let's go back to menu. I don't know what's going on. Let's just turn that off. Okay. So yeah, so I'll say my initial review with this, before even using it or anything like that, is that it is light compared to, like, so I shoot mainly with my Canon 6D. If not, I'm using one of my iPhones. So I like that it's lightweight, it's sleek, it's easy to carry. I carry a fanny pack around, so I can actually slide this in my fanny pack and be good to go. You wouldn't even know. So I do appreciate that. It's travel friendly. You again slide it in a fanny pack, you're good to go. Let's see. And another reason why I wanted to purchase this was because I wanted to vlog more. So I didn't really want to carry around my phone all the time, which I can, but still that just runs that battery down. If I need to call somebody, I can call somebody. And so I just wanted something strictly for that. So as I'm like on photo shoots, traveling places, I'm gonna take a quick picture, something a little bit more high quality than the iPhone or whatever what might be. I got this, click, good to go, and then boom. And so that's pretty much the review, an initial review of this Mark 3. So let me say that out. Canon G7X Mark 3. So I personally purchased mine offline from Best Buy, and then I went in and bought it. I would highly recommend. Hopefully it should be a little bit cheaper. If not, I don't know. But wait until Black Friday and then probably get this at a better price since Black Friday is coming up. But yeah, I got mine from Best Buy. I'm already excited. So hopefully stay tuned. Maybe I'll do another review of me actually using it so y'all could just see the quality and how it actually is and how it focuses and stuff while vlogging. Alright y'all, thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it if you want to, do it if you're not. At least you saw the video, now you know more about it.